In this Hydrossential today we are going to talk about Hydrossential. We at the Best for Review, we have prepared a review video. I've meticulously captured essential details to address all your concerns and provide valuable insights into this groundbreaking skin care product. As we delve into the realm of Hydrossential, let's explore the key aspects that make it stand out in the ever-evolving world of skin care. Hydrossential, targeting every layer of your skin. Hydrossential, a cutting-edge anti-aging product, goes beyond the surface, targeting the epidermis, subcutaneous tissue, and dermis for comprehensive skin rejuvenation. This serum introduces a revolutionary approach to enhance your skin's health, promising transformative results. Ingredients crafted for potency and purity. The secret to Hydrossential's effectiveness lies in its meticulously crafted formula. The ingredients, sourced locally from trusted growers employing natural farming methods, are blended in precise proportions to create a powerful concoction. By avoiding chemical treatments and allowing plants to reach full maturity, these farmers contribute to the product's purity. Manufactured under stringent conditions. Hydrossential is produced in a GMP and FDA-approved facility, adhering to sterile and strict conditions. This non-GMO product is free from additives, harmful fillers, and condoms. Recognized for meeting the highest standards in the skincare industry, it stands among the safest skincare products in the US. Its natural and pure composition ensures it is devoid of toxins or chemicals, making it a safe choice for your skin. Applying Hydrossential, a flexible and easy routine. To reap the benefits of Hydrossential, start with clean skin and consider exfoliation for optimal absorption. This product's flexibility shines through, allowing application at any time of the day or night. Designed for external use, you can seamlessly incorporate it into your existing skincare routine, applying it under other cosmetics or moisturizers of your choice. Caution and authenticity, key considerations. Results may vary from person to person due to individual body responses. Following the product's recommended usage is crucial for achieving the best results. Beware of misleading ads or reviews promising extraordinary outcomes. Ensure you purchase Hydrossential exclusively from the official website, steering clear of unauthorized sources. In conclusion, Hydrossential emerges as a genuine and effective skincare solution, prioritizing purity, potency, and safety. Elevate your skincare journey with Hydrossential, unlocking the potential for radiant and revitalized skin.